Greetings everyone. I am Pranjal Patil, third year BH. Our topic for the current semester was to design a mass housing scheme. The site is located on the Gangapur Road, Nasik. The above photo shows the location of the site, the access road, and the existing structures around. This is the site analysis done, and these are few of the photos of the site. The major concept was to design a housing scheme, keeping it functional and depicting the Nasik city in it. The major attraction of the city is the river and the mountains, which are to the periphery of the city. Hence, keeping the same in mind, there is gesture of depicting river and those mountains in the structure. So the height variation acts as mountains, and in between the water body acts as the river along ghat-like amphi. This is a site plan, and the total area of the site is 18,000 square meters. This is the main adjacent road to the south, and there are two main entrances to the site. The site is divided into 6 zones according to the building typologies, which are the row houses of total 16 units, 5 units of bungalows, here the amenity space, and here are the 5 units of twin bungalows. And to the center are the apartments, which are surrounded by the water body and amphi-like structure, which resembles the city, where the height of the building stand tall like mountain, and here are some shops and recreational space for the public. This is the ground floor plan, which consists of street parking for the row houses and the apartments, and this is the first level plan, which consists of the parking space on the podium and the water body and the step on it, and the podium gives us secondary access to the amenity area. From here, all the spaces are up to level 2 except for the apartment. The apartment building consists of total 28 floors, whereas first to ninth floor consist of 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and RK flats. From 11th floor to 15th floor it consists of 2 BHK, 3 BHK and RK. And the rest from 17th floor to 20th floor it consists of 3 BHK and RK with open terraces above. These are the individual plans of the apartment floor. These are the 3 BHK plan, this is the 2 BHK and this is the 1 BHK. 3 BHK consists of living room, dining and 3 bedrooms and kitchen. 2 BHK consists of living room, dining, kitchen and 2 bedrooms. 1 BHK consists of living room, dining and 1 bedroom. This is the row houses plan and the section and the 3D. There are total 16 units of row houses, and these are the plans where ground floor shows the street parking. The first floor shows the living room, dining, kitchen and guest room, and on the second floor are the 2 bedrooms and the open terrace. These are the bungalow. These are the plans, these are the section and these are the 3Ds. The bungalow ground floor consists of a living room, dining, kitchen and guest house. The first floor plan consists of 3 bedrooms and the second floor plan consists of 1 bedroom and open terrace. These are the twin bungalows. There are total 5 units of twin bungalows. These are the plans, section and a 3D. The ground floor plan consists of a living room, kitchen and dining and a guest room. And first floor plan consists of 3 bedrooms and an open space area. This is the amenity area plan, which consists of 2 floors. On the ground floor, there are 2 gym, indoor game area, and a library. And on the first floor, it is open space area, swimming pool, and the multi-purpose hall. These are the 2 sections of the apartment building plan, which consist of street parking below and apartments floors above. This is the section through side where it shows row houses here, the apartment section here, and these are the twin bungalow section. Thank you.